Welcome back, Crypto Farm community. It is your host, Jordan. Today, we got some crazy NFT critters. Get a look at this, you guys. We got the KamaChameleons. You heard that correct. If you don't know what chameleons are, you should definitely Google it and check it out, because there's a good chance we could see a lot of popularity with this project. Let's go ahead and dive down into the information. So currently, for KamaChameleons, there are 7,500 individual and unique KamaChameleon NFTs that have escaped in the Amazon jungle. I'm curious if the Amazon jungle, if they're talking about Brazil. They're currently launching in March, which is this month. So we need to be prepared and we need to be ready, especially if we can get in at any cheap floor prices. If you guys are interested for early access, be sure to join the Discord. We'll talk more about that here towards the end of the video. If you guys take a look, we do have over 1,367 followers, so they are growing day by day. The first tweet here, the first post that you guys can see, says KamaChameleons Kaiju Kongs. This is a whitelist giveaway. All right, so we got 5 Kaiju Kongs whitelist spots, 20 Kama whitelist sermons, and here we go. Be sure you guys check these out. Introducing the Kamanaut. He enjoys long walks on the moon and floating in outer space. Get a look at these creatures, you guys. You can definitely see that this one obviously is in outer space, but get a look at this spacesuit, you guys, and its little tail. That is sick. That is awesome. Thank you to everyone for joining in. It was the biggest one yet. So congrats to these people. Games are played every 48 hours. As stated, join the Discord so you never miss out on this information. Let's go ahead and dive down into the website. So it states right here, KamaChameleons. We're talking about the Amazon jungle, you guys. You can see it here in the background. There are currently 3,750 genetically modified chameleons. Get a look at this artwork, you guys. This is sick. Like, this is dope. Get a look at the backgrounds. Get a look at the collar. Get a look at the suits. Get a look at just the overall atmosphere whenever it comes to the KamaChameleons. It says, after years of being experimented on, genetically modified, and grown in test tubes, a power surge took place in the Project Kama Amazon Jungle Black sites. All 3,750 test subjects escaped, forming their own society shrouded in mystery deep in the world's largest jungle. That is pretty interesting. Let's go ahead and scroll down a little bit further. It states right here that the project's focus: we aim to create a world's first project that sets the precedent for the NFT projects going forward. With unheard of utilities and a complete community-controlled project, we will disrupt the industry. If we scroll down a little bit further, it says creativity. We got community, utilities, and education. Through our world first create to earn utility, we facilitate creative-focused events that will allow holders to generate real-world wealth. Community project owners control the majority of projects. The Kama community decides on who is whitelisted, and holders decide the future of the project. Utilities. A majority of NFT projects have the same utilities that bring no tangible benefits to their holders or potential buyers. We have changed that. Last but not least, we got education. With so much misinformation in the NFT space, we have created a Kama, a Kama Academy, which will teach holders to create NFTs, stay safe, and more. I definitely love all 4 of these categories. If you guys will, leave some comments down below and tell me, how do you feel about this project so far? But if we get a look at the benefits, it says that we aim to create a first world project that sets the precedent for NFT projects going forward. As stated, with unheard of utilities and complete community controlled project, we will disrupt the industry. So if we take a look at number 1, it states that this is a world first project that pairs the benefits of blockchain with physical objects that can be used to earn Kama and turn create fiat wealth. Number 2, a completely community-controlled project that votes on what Kama Treasury spends acquired ETH on, such as events, charitable efforts, or new utilities for the project. We got number 3, a project with utilities that will change the NFT industry. We have rethought every aspect of the NFT project and improved where we can. Number 4, continual charitable and do good incentives with an initial $15,000 being donated to charity along the planting of 15,000 trees in the Amazon. I'll tell you guys right now that is definitely well needed for the Amazon. Number 5, a project built by industry experts with years of experience delivering commercial projects to some of the world's largest brands. And number 6, integration with Web 2 and Web 3 platforms to create a long-term project that will provide continual benefits to all holders of the Kama Labs project. I love hearing all of this, you guys. I love hearing all this. We do have a lot of utilities. As stated earlier, the majority of NFT projects have the same utilities that bring no tangible benefits to their holders or potential buyers. So we have changed that. It says create to earn. This is a world first, create your earn, okay? As stated earlier, that a world first create to earn utility rewarding the most creative holders with Kama tokens, which are ERC20 tokens that can be converted into their local currency. Community control, we've also talked about that as well, to ensure that the team takes the project in the right direction. All Kama holders will have the ability to vote on where the community treasury funds are allocated. So that is important. Do good, feel good. We've already talked about how they plan on donating $15,000, okay? This money will be donated to causes such as mental health, cancer research, relief efforts, heart disease, research, and many more. Then last but not least, we got the Kama Labs Pass. Every holder of the KamaChameleon will have access to Kama Labs. Inside this lab, you'll find resources on the NFT space, including how to avoid scams, tips in creating your own project, and exclusive AMAs with crypto experts. And last but not least, down here, you guys, this is important. The Sanctuary. The metaverse will be a complex technical experience built in the future as we're doing it in the real world with our own conversion tree planting efforts. We want to conserve the beauty of the world around us. Our metaverse space, known as the Sanctuary, will be a peaceful oasis where the Kama community can come to relax, network, and learn about themselves and the world around them. Let's go ahead and just scroll down here a little bit further. It says cross medium right here, definitely some important stuff. It says the digital realm of blockchain NFT meets tangible physical art, creative events, and the world first features. Here are the clans, the Kama clans, okay? There are 4 social clans in the KamaChameleons section. Other NFT products rank their rarity from 9,999 to 1. I want to make this very clear, you guys, that KamaChameleons will have 4 separate rarity scales within the project, 1 for each clan. This will increase the collectability and trading within the project. If we scroll down here, it says we got the Grunt. The Grunts are the most common one, okay? They are the most common Kama clan. They have the largest amount of properties and make up majority of the Kamas in the collection. Then you got Techno. The Technos are the most intelligent and the Kama society. They progress in the population in scientific, culture, and artistic advances, right? Then you got the Kamanet. The Kamanet enforce the ruling from the Brotherhood. They are born with unique traits such as axe tails and have access to combat-related properties. And last but not least, you got the Brotherhood. The Brotherhood controls the Kama society and enforces the prophet's decision for the society. The Brotherhood have their own exclusive properties. If you guys are interested in taking a look at the roadmap, all the information is right down here, okay? So chapter 1, this is towards the very end, okay? The very end of the websites. And if you guys would like to take a look at the team, you got the Visionary, you got the Guru, you got the Magician, you got the Oracle, you got the Alchemist, you got the Soulless. You have these people here who are running the project. I would highly recommend that you guys check these out if you would like to, okay? Now, as stated earlier, if you're interested in being part of the Twitter and the Discord, the links are right up here at the top. Once you join the Discord, this is what is going to pop up. You have access to a lot of different chat rooms, okay? You got the general, you got the about you got the shield team, you got suggestions, you got guest art, you have the roadmap, you got the whitelist, you got the sneak peeks, you got the project dates. There is so much information here. Not only that, you guys, but get a look over here. There is a lot of active members, you guys. Like, there is beyond a lot of people. I would highly recommend, as stated, that you come and join this NFT collection and be prepared and be ready for when it comes out. All right. So anyways, if you guys will, leave some comments down below. Tell me how you guys feel about this project. Do you guys think this is going to be a great one? Are you going to be buying any of these NFTs? Other than that, thank you guys for all being here. I will see you later, and ciao.